Black holes are fascinating cosmic phenomena with immense gravitational pull that not even light can escape from beyond the event horizon. Here are some key details about black holes. Black holes can form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycles. This collapse can occur when a star has burned through all of its nuclear fuel, no longer has the outward pressure to counteract the force of gravity. There are primarily three types of black holes: stellar black holes, intermediate black holes, and supermassive black holes, each varying in mass. The boundaries surrounding a black hole, known as the event horizon, marks the point of no return beyond which nothing can escape. At the center of a black hole lies a gravitational singularity, where space-time curvature becomes infinite and classical physics breaks down. Proposed by physicist Stephen Hawking, black holes are believed to emit a faint form of radiation called Hawking radiation, causing them to slowly lose mass over time. Found at the centers of most galaxies, supermassive black holes can have masses millions to billions of times greater than that of the Sun. While black holes themselves are invisible, their presence can be inferred through the effects they have on nearby matter and light, such as gravitational lensing and the emission of X-rays. Subscribe to our channel for more such space-related videos.